As life evolves, so do the rhythms within our body that maintain balance and well-being. Yet, for many, the natural rhythm of life can fade. Constipation, discomfort, and irregularity affect daily life, causing stress and discomfort. That's where Flowbiotic steps in, restoring the flow in life's journey. The Flowbiotic logo symbolizes movement and maintaining rhythm in every stage of life. Its flowing lines represent the harmony of a healthy gut and vitality that comes with intestinal well-being. The name Biotic highlights a solution rooted in probiotic designed to restore balance to the microbiome, ensuring that everything flows easily. Flowbiotic is an innovative symbiotic solution developed by Senior Pharma. Its unique and synergic combination of probiotics, prebiotics, rye fiber, and dietary fiber, clinically proven to support intestinal health and regularity. Our gut is at the core of our health. Flowbiotic restores balance, promotes regularity, and creates a sense of well-being for every age group: children, adults, and seniors. Flowbiotic is your ally in rediscovering comfort and balance. With easy-to-use capsules for adults and sachets with pleasant flavors for both kids and seniors, Flowbiotic fits perfectly into your daily routine, where innovation creates new rhythms, bringing better health and brighter days. Trust Flowbiotic to bring back the natural flow of your life. Flowbiotic, to make it flow.